What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the settings you get when you click on a sample. Okay, so any sample in the channel rack, you click it, you get three little tabs here. We're going to focus mostly on the envelope tab. But let's also talk about this a little bit. A lot of samples load up with the load regions and use loop points on. I take those off. The use loop points is really just where it loops like every bar and it gets really annoying. So I take that off. Now let's go over to the envelope setting, okay? This setting over here really helps you add some extra sauce to whatever sound you're working on. You can even get into a little bit of sound design. So if we just listen to this 808, you might want headphones on to really hear this 808. We just listen to it without any manipulation from this envelope. Just a normal 808 with some distortion on it. Okay, if we put this envelope on, we can mess with the attack, the hold, decay, sustain, release, and the delay of this actual specific sound. So if we bring the attack over a little bit, bring the hold all the way up, mess with the decay and sustain a little bit, the sound starts to sound like this. Bring the attack back. So don't sleep on adding a little bit of sound design here. This attack is useful for if you have a kick with this 808, you can bring the attack up a little bit and give room for that kick to hit at the first initial part right here. All of these can be automated as well by right clicking and create automation clips, so you can get some creative sauce that way. Now over here you can mess with LFOs. Okay, the knob for each one is right here. So you can do all sorts of different versions of it. You can kind of choose between what waveform you want for that. Just bring it up and then start messing with the amount and the speed. So you can get some interesting sounds with that. You can go into the Mod X tab and start manipulating it, turn it up a little bit more. Come over here, mess with the LFO of it. We can go into the pitch tab as well and do the same thing. So really don't sleep on this envelope tab here. This is all built inside FL Studio. This isn't an extra effect or a VST or anything. It's just built into the clicking on the sample, and then there's these tabs here, okay? Don't be sleeping on that. You can do that with any sound, any other 808, any actually melody sample, or anything that you drag into the channel rack. You can go ahead and mess with these settings. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.